Hi guys, I'm Dr. Ankur Sarin.
And I'm Dr. Jushya Bhatia Sarin.
Temperatures have been rising and it's time to discuss the best skincare practices in summertime. So summers are here. What do you think is the biggest change or challenge in the skin during the summer?
So the biggest challenge in this weather is that your oil glands and your sweat glands are both very active. So you're losing a lot of water, which is why your skin is dehydrated, but it's still feeling sticky because there's a lot of oil production. And that can happen to any skin type, be it dry, oily, or combination. And not to mention that the sun is soaring high and we all need to protect ourselves from the sun, be it physical or chemical protection.
It's time to switch to cleansers that take away both sweat and oil. Salicylic acid, glycolic acid or azelaic acid cleansers are my go-to in summers. But if you have dry skin, it's best that you stick with stearyl alcohol and cetyl alcohol cleansers.
If you're not sure what cleansers to buy, you can just stick to a basic foaming cleanser that will do the job of taking away both sweat and oil from the skin.
We are putting few recommendations in cleansers category in the description below. So a lot of people don't typically enjoy moisturization in summers. What are your tips for them?
When you talk about hydrating your skin, it has to be both from the inside and the outside. Don't skip sipping your water every few hours a day. And also when you talk about moisturizing from the top, you need gel-based moisturizers in this weather that will not feel very sticky or greasy on your skin. Look for ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, glycerin, aloe vera. These are very light on your skin. It will also help you layer other skincare products that you might want to do in this weather.
And if somebody has dry skin even in summers, you can use a squalene based moisturizer. Squalene produces good hydration and at the same time it has some anti-inflammatory properties and is non-comedogenic. Can be used even in acne prone skin.
So that is the thing, a lot of people with acne actually skip moisturizers in summers when they should not be doing it, because to compensate, your skin will release a lot of oil and you will end up feeling more sticky than you think you would.
However, if somebody feels like their sunscreen is moisturizing enough, you can skip your moisturization in the morning and just moisturize late at night.
We will put some of our favorite moisturizer recommendations in the description box below.
Third essential of skincare, use of sunscreen. Now sunscreens can be a bit heavy for most of us in the summertime, so it's very important to pick the right one for yourself.
I recommend either a matte finish sunscreen or a gel-based sunscreen in this weather. You can try using a sunscreen that has at least SPF 30, if it is 50 the better, and a PA of 3+. Use broad spectrum sunscreens that also have blue light filters, also known as tinted sunscreens.
If you're using tinted sunscreens, you might not even need makeup. If you're using a chemical sunscreen, it is important to apply 20 to 30 minutes before the sun exposure. If you're using a physical sunscreen, you can step out in the sun straight away. Along with sunscreen, protect your skin with the use of cap, helmet, scarves. Also avoid direct sun exposure between 12 to 4.
It is important to reapply your sunscreen every 3 hours that you're out in the sun.
If your skin feels oily and you're getting bumps on your skin, you can exfoliate once in 7 to 10 days to unclog your pores and make your skin less oily.
You can try using home-based chemical peels such as the ones that contain salicylic acid or glycolic acid. Make sure that you're reading the instructions before application, because these acids come in different percentage and whatever the bottle says, you must follow that.
Chemical exfoliation works great, but stay away from physical scrubs.
One part of the face that we often ignore in summers is the lips. Our lips are very sensitive to the sun as well, and they lead to tanning or darkening of the lips. It is best to use a lip balm with SPF of at least 30 to protect your lips.
Another very common problem which people ask our advice for is the bad odor in the summer.
So first of all, it's important to understand why does bad odor happen.
The most common cause of bad odor in Indian people are the strong flavoring agents that our typical Indian food has.
Try using less of garlic, ginger, onions and whole spices, because these are rich in phenolic compounds. These are secreted in sweat. When your bacteria that is naturally present on your skin breaks down these compounds, they lead to bad odor.
Along with dietary changes, use benzoyl peroxide based gel washes, and you can use a deo to mask the odor.
By the end of the day, you are sweaty, you are tired, but don't forget to wash your makeup or the sunscreen that you have applied and clean your face before you go to sleep.
So these were our skincare tips for you in summers. If you like the video, please click on the like button. Subscribe to our channel for such educating videos on skincare.
If you have any other questions about summer skincare, please feel free to put them in the comment section below. We will try answering all of them.